Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. As we were discussing about the best SEO tool, so one of the best SEO tool is Moz Pro SEO software. SEO software Moz Pro keeps popping up as one of the best SEO tool that experts actually use. Some specialists raved about how Moz was always up to date despite Google's regular algorithm changes. Other praised Moz chat portal that allows them always to get an insightful response to every question asked. Whether you are looking for a keyword recommendation or a site crawl, Moz is a full service powerhouse. You can get great insight into how your website is performing but also how to improve it. They also have a free MozBar toolbar that you can download to see your website's metrics while browsing any page. If you are looking to learn more about SEO, you should also consider checking out MozCon, their annual conference. Carrie Linden Muth's marketing manager at Kelly David Group. Go to SEO tool is none other than Moz Pro. She says my favorite feature of the tool is its page optimization feature. It tells you exactly what steps you can take to improve the SEO of every single page on your website. For example, it will tell you to include your keyword in this page title or add an image with a keyword alternation tag. This tool has substantially improved our clients' business simply by the fact that it gives increased transparency. We can compare their sites, traffic, and optimization to that of their competitors. We can see which pages and search terms their competitors perform well in and alter our web practice to compete against theirs. Without a tool like Moz, SEO really becomes a guessing game. You have no idea where you are doing well and where you can use improvements. So, Moz Pro SEO software is one of the best tool for SEO search engine optimization, which we can use in SEO. After that, we have Uber Suggest keyword tracking tool. Uber Suggest keyword tracking tool is one of the best SEO search engine optimization tool. Uber Suggest, developed by Neil Patel, is a free keyword finder tool that helps you identify keywords and also the search intent behind them by showing the top ranking SERPs from short to long tail phrases. You can find the right terms to use on your websites with hundreds of suggestions from this free great keyword tool. Metrics Uber suggests include in its reports are keyword volume, competition, CPC, and seasonal trends. Great for both organic SEO and paid PPC. This tool can help you determine if a keyword is worth targeting and how competitive it is. So Uber Suggest is one of the best SEO tool, and it is developed by Neil Patel, which is a free keyword finder tool that helps you identify keywords.